Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are doing absolutely fine and welcome back to Learn English Quick with me, Banpreet. So today what we are going to learn is the collocations. What's the difference between do and make? When we have to use the word do, when we have to use the word make, how will we be using it with the sentences? What does the word collocations mean? What does the word do means, or what does the word make means? So everything we are going to learn in today's video. So let's get started. So before starting this lesson, let's first learn what does the term collocation means. Collocation means grouping something basically in terms of words, like we group the words to form a sentence. And there are many confusing collocations of do and make. So what is the meaning of the do? Where do we use it? What is the meaning of make? Where do we use it? Do you know there's a difference between do and make? These two words can be literally very confusing if we don't know the meaning. But I'll teach you the difference and teach you 60 common collocation with examples, sentences to help you. So before we get into this, let's understand the very basic, very simple meaning of do. It means action. Just a very simple meaning. Do is for actions, make is for creating. I hope that was very simple. Do is for action and make is for creating. So next point is, what's the basic difference between do and make? We use do for actions, some repetitive tasks or some obligations. We use make for creating something, for producing something, and for actions you choose to do. Do generally refers to action in itself, and make usually refers to the result. For example, I'll make you breakfast and the result is an omelette. If you make a suggestion, you have created a recommendation. So that was the difference between do and make. Very simple. I kept it very simple for you to understand. Do is for actions and make is for creating or producing something. Do is the action itself and make is the final result. So I hope that was clear. Now the second question is, what are some common collocations with the word do? And I already told you the meaning of collocations. It means grouping of some things, basically the words. Now the collocation of do, how do we use it? For example, if it's the housework, do the housework. It's an action. After I got home from the office, I was too tired to do the housework. You see, it's an action. Do the laundry. I really need to do the laundry. I don't have any clean clothes left. Do the dishes. I'll make the dinner if you do the dishes afterwards. Here you can also say wash the dishes. Do the shopping. I went to the bank, did some shopping, and then mailed a package in the post office. Here we have used the second form of the verb and not the word do. Here's an exception also. Make the bed is equal to putting blankets, sheets and pillows in the correct place so that the bed looks nice and not messy. So we don't use do the bed, we make the bed. Okay, examples in the work or study with do. Do work. I can't go out this weekend. I have to do some extra work on my project. Do homework. You can't watch any TV until you have done your homework. You can also use finished your homework. Do business. We do business with clients in 15 countries. Do a good, great or terrible job. She did a good job organizing the party. In this expression, the word job does not necessarily refers to work. It simply means the person did something well. Do a report. I am doing a report on history of Indian foreign policy. Do a course. We are doing a course at local university. Or you can also say taking a course. Okay, the next is taking care of your body. What are the examples here? Do exercise. I do at least half an hour of exercise every day. Do your hair. It is equal to style your hair. I'll be ready in just 15 minutes. I just need to do my hair. Do your nails is equal to paint your nails. Can you open this envelope for me? I just did my nails and they are still wet. General good or bad actions. Do anything, something, everything, nothing. Are you going to do anything special for your birthday? You can't do everything by yourself. Let me help you. Do well. She did extremely well in the interview. Do badly. Everyone did badly on the test. The highest grade was 68. Do good. The NPO has done a lot of good in the community. Do the right thing. When I found someone's wallet on the sidewalk, I turned it in to the police station because I wanted to do the right thing. Do your best. Don't worry about getting everything perfect. Just do your best. The next is the common collocations with the word make. Food. Make breakfast, lunch, dinner. I'm making dinner. It will be ready in about 10 minutes. Make sandwiches. Could you make me a turkey sandwich? Make a salad. I made a salad for the family picnic. Make a cup of tea. Would you like me to make you a cup of tea? Make a reservation. I've made a reservation for 7:30 at my favorite restaurant. The next is money. Make money. I enjoy my job, but I don't make very much money. Make a profit. The new company made its profit within its first year. You see, have you noticed that we are somewhere using the second form of verb and at some points we are using the first form of word. Okay, the next example is make a fortune. He made a fortune after his first book hit the number 1 on the bestseller list. Okay, the next is for relationships. Make friends. It's hard to make friends when you move to another city. Make love. He was making love with his girlfriend. Make a pass at means flirting with someone. My best friend's brother made a pass at me. He asked if I was single and tried to get my phone number. Actually, he was flirting with me. Okay, the next is make fun of someone. Means to tease or mock someone. The other kids made fun of Jimmy when he got glasses. They said he got 4 eyes and that was so bad. Make up means to resolve a problem. In a relationship, we use makeup especially for relationships. Karen and Jennifer made up after a big fight they had last week. The next is the communication. Make a call. Please excuse me, I need to make a call. Make a joke. He made a joke but it wasn't very funny and nobody laughed at it. Make a point. Diane made some very good points during the meeting. I think we should consider her ideas. Make a bet. I made a bet with Peter to see who could do more push-ups. Or you can also say, I bet Peter would do more push-ups than Jacob. Made a complaint. We made a complaint with our internet provider because it wasn't working well and my work was being affected. Make a confession. I need to make a confession. I was the one who ate last piece of the cake. Make a speech. The company president made a speech about ethics in the workplace. Make a suggestion. Can I make a suggestion here? I think you should cut your hair a bit shorter. They'll look nice on you. Make a prediction. It's difficult to make any predictions about the economy right now. Make an excuse. When I asked Peter about something, he started making excuses. Make a promise. I made a promise to help her whenever she needs it. Make a fuss means to demonstrate annoyance. Stop making a fuss. He's only late a couple of minutes. I'm sure he'll be here soon. Make an observation. I would like to make an observation about our business plans. If it's not set in stone, we can be flexible. Make a comment. The teacher made a few critical comments on my essay. Okay, here one exception is don't say make a question. The correct phrase is to ask a questions. The next point is plans and progress. Make plans. We are making plans to travel to Australia next year. Make a decision, choice. I've made my decision. I'll only study in the University of Waterloo. That's it. Make a mistake. You made a few mistakes in your calculations. The correct total is $5430 and not the $4530. Please correct it. Make progress. My students are making good progress. Their spoken English is improving a lot. Make an attempt or effort. It means to try. I'm making an effort to stop smoking this year. Make up your mind. That means to decide. Should I buy a desktop or a laptop? I can't make up my mind. Means I am not able to decide. Make a discovery. Scientists have made an important discovery in the area of genetics. Make a list. I'm making a list of everything we need for the wedding. Invitations, decorations, a cake. Make sure means to confirm. Can you make sure we have enough copies of the report for everybody at the meeting? Make a difference. Getting 8 hours of sleep makes a huge difference in my day. I have more energy. The last one is make an exception. Normally, the teacher doesn't accept late homeworks, but she made an exception for me because my backpack was stolen with my homework inside it. So that was all about the difference between the do and make. What are the English collocations for do and what are the common English collocations for the word make. And in very simple terms, we learned do means actions and make means creating. I hope this lesson was useful. See you soon with another lesson. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to the channel. Like, comment and share the video. Press the bell icon for notifications and stay updated. Till the next video, take good care of yourself. Bye bye.